The Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, but guess what? The older generation S24 Ultra still has some major advantages. Here are 5 areas where the S24 Ultra beats the S25 Ultra. 1. Sharper design aesthetics. If you love sleek, boxy edges, the S24 Ultra has that premium, rectangular look with a flat top and bottom. Meanwhile, the S25 Ultra adopts rounded corners, which some users find less premium looking. 2. Proven performance. The S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has been tested and optimized for real-world use. While the S25 Ultra has the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, real-world tests show minimal performance gains, meaning you're not missing out on much. 3. S Pen with Bluetooth features. The S24 Ultra's S Pen lets you control your camera remotely and use air gestures, but Samsung removed these features in the S25 Ultra. If you love extra functionality, the S24 Ultra is the better choice. More natural camera processing. While the S25 Ultra has an upgraded sensor, some users report a neon blue tint in videos. The S24 Ultra delivers balanced, natural color tones, making it a safer choice for photography enthusiasts. 5. Better value for the price. The S25 Ultra is expensive, but now the S24 Ultra is heavily discounted, giving you flagship-level features at a fraction of the cost. The S25 Ultra may be newer, but the S24 Ultra still holds its ground. Would you pick the S24 Ultra over the S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments.